Nzama ya Mangavana Niyalulumiliilya Ndiyumbanitye Kuthukumithya Walany'o Mweu wa Kwika Uthooi wa Syindu kana E-Procurement ula Withiitwe Uisukumiiwa ni Silikali Nene Maiweta kana Meendeea Kutumia Nzia ya Tene Maineena Kavindani kala Matwaiisya Unyuvani wo Mangavana Nimalumiliilya Walany'o Ndutonyekana Kutumika kwao yuka Kaundini na Vala mwene kivila wa Nzama gavana wa kaunti ya Wajir Wanyuvani Kuendeea kwithiwa mwene kivila wa COG Benjamin Mwaka na mauvo.
Are we good to go?
Nzama ya Mangavana Niyalulumiliilya Meendeea Kutumia Walany'o ula wa Tene wakosa na Kuthukumithya tenda uthukumiiwa milati ya kaunti wa manual COG weta mfumo huu ni mwetikilie kimeao na koti ni naungamisye EGP.
And the court was very clear that the law has not been changed, that you can either procure electronically or manually, right? So, and you know, we should not be begging each other in this country to obey court orders. So that's the court order, and we are procuring, and life goes on. But there's no vacuum because we already have a procurement law. We have a court order that says we can, procure electronically or manually. Kwa hivyo procurement iendelee na service delivery iendelee.
Ingi Mangavana ni makulya uiti uikali kuoteti Maiweta wone uthukumiwa Silikali siameti yuko na uthaile uvwe wangwe kana kulikuoteti ni atongoi vila na ingi Withiitwe.
We want to reiterate that health is a devolved function and we must be free of external forces that want to paint a bad picture of devolution and the efforts made thus far. We do understand that in this country we've started early campaigns. We also appreciate, and you too appreciate, that our politics is very toxic. But let's keep that toxic politics out of healthcare. Let's allow governors to run healthcare.
Maineena ndetu Kavindani kala Matwaiisya Unyuvani utongoi wa Walan'yo mwana komitini kwa Withiitwe mwene kivila Ahmed Abdullahi ni Wanyuvani Kuendeea hata mwene kivila Walan'yo mwana munini wake gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga vala nake gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki yuno Wanyuvani mukoni Mweu wa Mutalisa yani chief whip wa COG.
Today, in fulfillment of the provisions of sections 19(2) and 3 of the Intergovernmental Relations Act 2012, the Council of Governors convened a full council meeting in which elections were held for the executive and technical committee chairs. Chairperson of Council of Governors, yours truly, His Excellency FCPA Ahmed Abdullahi, Governor of Wajir County. Vice Chair of the Council of Governors, His Excellency Dr. Mutahi Kahiga, Governor of Nyeri County. And the Whip of the Council of Governors, His Excellency Muthomi Njuki, Governor Tharaka Nithi County.
Vilengwa mauvo kumavamu sinilovi nyenito Benjamin Mwaka.